Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I'm here to continue the How to Start a Print on Demand series. If you have been tuning into my challenge for the past couple of months, you've seen me create different series each month. So the next couple of months, we do have a few more videos in the How to Start a Print on Demand series. And I wanted to make sure that I provided an extra resource to you guys. So if you click down in the description box, you will get a free print on demand checklist. That's right, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Make sure you click the link in my description box, put a 0 in the box where it asks for price. If you would like to leave a tip, I love $5 tips. So go ahead and put a 5 in that box and then you go ahead and check out, okay? Also, I added more links in the description box for more freebies that you can grab that's on my Gumroad. And if you just want to grab a different course, remember you can always check out my Gumroad courses at www.gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. So today on how to start a print-on-demand business, we'll be talking about Redbubble. I get paid about every month from Redbubble. I believe it's on the 15th. I enjoy this website. I know I sell more stickers than anything, but again, that is okay with me. Most platforms, more people come to certain platforms for certain things, but I do sell an array of items. I've already done the review on Redbubble, so I'll make sure I leave the review link in the description box. And I've already recorded the beginning of how to set up a Redbubble account. But for some reason, my handy dandy trusty recording system did not do well. So I'm going to go through this again. It really wasn't a lot, but you would hit sell your art. And I'm just telling you guys, I've already created the account on video and it did not go through. But this is a few videos that you can watch and, you know, kind of set up here. And then you would just hit this button here that says get started for free. Get started is free. So you would put in your email here, your username and your password, and you would hit sign up. So because I did this before already, I'm just going to go ahead and log in, because I did not enjoy that for some reason. Things didn't work out for me with the recording, so I'm just doing it again. And I'm just going to log in since I already created an account. Hopefully I got the right password. Okay, so once you are logged in, you're going to go to your account and account settings, and you can see I already have a logo because I did that when I first basically signed in. So it just tells you I chose one of my icons from here, and it was just like the logo size to do my logo. Did that, uploaded it, and then in the clip that did start recording, you will see me uploading the cover image and the rest of the tutorial. But I just wanted to show you guys how I got to that step because the beginning did not upload. So enjoy the rest of the video. 24 by 600. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to 2400 by 600. And we are going to copy and resize. And I'm going to put in here, I'm going to change the name and just say that this is the Redbubble cover art. Okay, so we're going to take all of these and we're going to copy it. And then we're going to copy all of this and we're going to make it bigger so it gets spread out. Over this entire thing. All right, so we got that and we are going to download that cover. All right, go back over to Redbubble and I'm going to hit choose the file. And we are going to choose that art. And we're going to upload it. Ooh. All right, we had a little error over on Redbubble. Let's try this again. All right, so I am going to put my name as Dear Military Spouse. I'm just going to always show my username. The military spouse. You can fill in your bio, notifications, copyright information, and this is what your URL to your Redbubble will be. Do you have mature content, Pinterest? You can do all of that. So that is like your avatar section of Redbubble. So now we're going to go over to product pricing. So here is where you mock up your prices for your shirts. So this is like the starting price and this is how far it can go up. And then this is what you mark it up to. So the most you would get would be $6. But again, you're not shipping, making, or creating any of the products. So again, for t-shirts, I like my t-shirts to start at about 25. So I'll probably mark that up even more. So like maybe 50. Let's see. That's about good. That's good right there. And then stickers. Now you can go through each of these and do them the way you want to, but I mark my stickers up 100% so that I can get some money for my stickers. And then, oh, I changed everything to 100. I didn't mean to do that. Ooh. So let me go back to 20. I thought it said when applied to all, it meant in the section, honey. Don't make that mistake. So let's not hit apply to all. Let's just do it section by section. And then I'll do this section. Then I'll go back and change that shirt to 50%. And again, it's all up to you, your preference, how you want to change it. But here it just basically shows you your margins. So I'm going to hit save. And then you have your Google Analytics, which you can put in your link here, and it tells you how to set it up. This is where you'll look at your sales history. Once you start selling, your payment history, how much money you made, when they pay you. They pay you now. They used to pay you any amount of money. Now I think it's 20 or 25 dollars, but you can, read up on that when you hit when do I get paid. These are messages to your buyers.
that you can put in, places where you can share your work, and then just, you know, your product images. You download them, do little mock-ups and stuff like that. Super cute. I'm gonna go back so that we're in the settings section. Protect your work, link to your other sites. So if you want to show it on your website, so my website is www.themilitarySpouse.com here. And then let me see if I need to save that. So like I can put in my Instagram, which is Dear Military Spouse. And then anything else I have. So I'm going to save that. And here it says edit your profile. I think this is just what we already did. And then of course need to put in the information on how do you get paid. How will you get paid? I do PayPal. I think that is the only thing. Okay, so what you want to be paid in, currency, and then the user agreement. So I would have to confirm my address to fill out the rest. And if you want to change your password. So that's pretty much how it goes to set up your account. And then the next video, we will be talking about how to basically create your first product and start uploading stuff on your Redbubble. Okay. So that is it for your Redbubble setup. Pretty straightforward and easy.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching How to Start a Print on Demand series. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of the questions that you guys post if I do have an answer for it. And remember, you can check out my podcast at Coins and Connections Podcast, bit.ly/Coins and Connection. It is available on all open podcast platforms, and you can check out our Instagram page at coinsandconnections.com. If you want to check me out on Facebook, it's just at Cinquanta, or on Instagram at Cinquanta Cox-Smith. All right, so as always, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.